How far would you go to save the life of your pet? Well, today in Jamaica, we found the extent of one man's compassion for his animals. Farmer Rowe, or well, Mr. Rowe as he's called in this video, was transporting his goats. Now one seemed to fall suddenly and was being carried along by the herd. Now normally in Jamaica, having a goat mouth is a bad thing, but Mr. Rowe is being lauded as a hero. Now this good shepherd, well, goat herd, his quick thinking of administering CPR saved the life of this goat and possibly the kids that she was carrying. Now whether this is love for his animals or just protecting his prized investment, Mr. Rowe deserves a real big up. So big up Sir Rowe. I hope the powers that be see it fit to big you up in a different way. So until we come again with another video like this, keep doing good. Big up again, Sir Rowe. Peace.
Yeah, easy, Mr. Rowe. Hey, follow to that. Want some more mouth to mouth? Fast, really now.
Alright. Maybe kids, you know.
Okay. Why you are the best, Mr. Rowe? You're not easy. You're not easy.
Big up, Sir Rowe. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace.